Hey, it's Colin. Okay, so it's not really, I don't have any documentation because it's not really designed to do or load any local video, but I can show you a way of doing it. Let's go here, image components. You've got the video, Vimeo video.html. All this does is it loads an iframe and it loads a certain amount of stuff into the iframe. Okay, what you need to do is very simple. Well, we're going to call it simple. Let's create a new folder just for simplicity's sake, and we're going to call it You Got It Video, like so. Okay, in your video folder you're going to create a new page. So create a new page, and we don't want any content on the page except your video. You need to load your video, drag your video on here, whatever type of video it is, like an MP4. You need to put it onto the page using proper MP4 code that can actually play. Now I'm going to warn you, or tell you right now, one of the reasons why I suggest Vimeo or YouTube is if you put just MP4 code into the page, it won't play on many browsers. You need to have it converted into MP4, OGV, and WebM. You need 3 different formats in order for that video to be displayed across all browsers. That's one of the reasons why I go with Vimeo, because you can upload an MP4 format. They will auto-convert it for you. They detect what type of browser is being used, and they will play the appropriate video format. So you don't have to upload 10 different versions of the thing. Same with YouTube. But if you're going to do it, you're going to have to go do a Google search on embedding HTML5 video, or embedding playing MP4 on the web. Okay, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to embed that code into this new page you're going to create. We're going to save this page as, we're going to call it video 1, and we're going to save it into the video folder. Okay, so in our video 1 page, we're going to put the video code in here that would play. So basically, if we were to just load up the video 1 page in a web browser, it would play the video. Okay, and then in your Vimeo, all you need to do is, you got it, link into the video page right here, and it would look something like, you just have to do the path here. So let's just see if we can use, will our editor here help us out. Set initial page. Okay, and then we go to the video folder and video 1, and there we go. So it's going to be basically a dot, 3 dots and a slashes, the video folder, and then the name of the page. That should do the trick. Okay, because that's all this really does, is it just loads in an iframe, and in the iframe it loads in the page, and it's the actual page that has the video. Okay, so, but like I said, the trick is, if you're just going to do an MP4 format, it's not going to work. At least it's not going to work on many browsers, because you need to have it in 3 different formats, and you also need to do it in embed the proper code. So that's where it comes a little bit of homework, and that's one of the main reasons I never went with just a local video page, because getting video display on the web became so complicated without a Flash player that, and of course Flash players don't work on tablets, having to have the 3 different formats and that. And if you do a Google search on how do I embed video into my web page, or how do I embed HTML5 video, there's lots of quick and easy ways. Just you have to have the 3 different formats available and whatnot. So it really depends on what way you want to go. Like I said, YouTube or Vimeo do all that work for you. So